Hi guys, I'm just trying to make something for eating. I don't know. So I'm gonna cut this onion. Look how many lentils I have. It's kind of crazy. These are green, orange, or called red lentils. These are like French lentils or something. They're really pretty. And these cook really quick. So we'll probably do like a combination of a couple of these. And of course with coconut milk, everything is better. Really easy, simple. Let's see what happens. I chopped up half an onion. Could probably do the whole onion, but just do it half. And like 3 cloves of garlic, like roughly, and some oil. And I also chopped up this zucchini, a little side. Okay, so a lot has happened. So I put in some seasoning finally. I salt and peppered this, put some garlic powder in there. And here I put in curry powder. Just decided to be simple to use today. It's onion, chili powder, garlic, turmeric, red pepper, paprika, jalapeno. Yeah, it's just like spicy curry ingredients. So I might add some like powdered ginger to this and maybe a little bit more turmeric separately. But this is pretty good. I just added what I had of the red lentils. I think it was almost a cup, just about. I might actually have to put in like a half a cup or a cup of water to like make sure this doesn't get too thick, because these little red lentils will expand really quick. I also added a little thing of chicken bouillon, basically a teaspoon of chicken bouillon for some flavoring. If you add bouillon, make sure you don't add too much salt to the mixture. I'm usually vegan, but I have a whole bunch of chicken bouillon in my my cabinet that I need to use still, so I just added 2 things that need a little bit more flavor. You could totally use vegetable bouillon and that'd be just as good. But yeah, I just found some leftover spinach and garlic little mixture leftovers that I had in the fridge. I'm just gonna add that for some extra. I also am gonna cut a lime and squeeze some lemon juice into it when it's closer to being finished. And I also found some tomatoes I have lying around in the fridge that I'm gonna use just for some added something. Yeah. So I added about 1.5 cups of extra water. Added the tomato and a half. About 1/4 cup of that spinach mixture, and I'm just gonna bring it to a boil. And once it's bubbling, you can set the heat down to medium low to low, and just wait until all these lentils like cook. And that's about it. Right now it looks like scrambled eggs. It's pretty funny, but yeah, it should be really good. We also got lemon. So this is the finished product. We have some lemon on my lentils. We got some garlic, zucchini. I made some brown rice to go with the curry. And it looks really good. I want to try it. Alright, so that's about it. Try it at home and let me know if you like it. What do you think, Lily? What do you think? Aw, you know it's not yours. Sniff it though. Oh. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now. This is my hair. It is so dirty right now, but that's because we're gonna bleach it. See all this shit? I mean, look at this. It's so dark. It's a little light on the ends, but as you can see, the roots are like pretty dang dark. Why am I so bad at this? Okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now. Yeah, we're gonna bleach it. So this is the before, as you can see. I mean, it's not bad. It's kind of blended, but there's like a big, from here to here, about 2 years of growth. So I just want it to look a little bit more sun-kissed and natural. I guess. I mean, it looks natural now, but even more sun-kissed. I'm naturally sun-kissed, so let's do that. I'm just gonna film the process, probably speed it up, but we'll see what the end result is like. I'm quite excited. I hope you're excited too. And so yeah, this is a before. Oh, hey, there's my hair from behind. You look up. Oh yeah. I gotta bleach my teeth too. I think the first thing we need to do is mix this stuff together. This is 20 volume developer.
tears keep blowing, ice keep dropping and the drink keep flowing. Try to brush it off, but it keep on going. All these scars can't help from showing. Whipping in the phone and the tears keep pouring. Yeah.
Last one. It took so long. My eyes are so red from focusing. Pathetic. Just from focusing. So this is the dilemma. This is where it's been 30 minutes since I put in my first one, but I just put in my last one. What do you do? This is a great look, by the way. Let's do some eye drops, huh? That's something we can do. Actually, it seems hard. I'm just gonna pop some off right now. Ooh. Rose water. I guess this is where we check on how some are doing. Oh my god! That's so blonde. Oh yeah, you didn't even see it right there. Hello guys, look at that. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah. Don't do this at home. I guess I'll just wash it out now. Just in case. Oopsie, no! I got this one in the water. Whoa! It may look like we're out of control, but it's actually not too bad right now. Ooh. We gotta brush this out. It's been drying for about an hour. I kept the bleach in for about 30 minutes, just about, for all the pieces, and this is kind of the result. There's some like just chunks of like highlight, kind of just like a natural. I think it looks pretty natural and good, just like lighter hair. Yeah, so my roots are still dark. I like it a lot. I take some after photos, but you can see kind of just weaved and bleached some areas to lighten the whole thing on top only, just the top layer. So I still got some dark, and that's really nice. Yeah. I kind of forgot to mention that I used a little bit of a purple shampoo when I washed out the bleach because it is super coppery. And it'll be pretty coppery until I wash it again. I use some more purple shampoo. I also use purple conditioner. I think that helped a lot, making it not as coppery as it could be, or as it was when it first developed. But right now, it looks pretty good. Pretty natural. Yeah, that's it.